In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation menu on Wix, whether you're creating a personal blog, an online store, or a professional portfolio. Having a clear and functional navigation menu is crucial for guiding your visitors and ensuring they have a seamless experience on your site. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to help you set up a navigation menu that not only looks great, but also aligns perfectly with your website's design and functionality. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully customized navigation menu ready to go. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Wix account and navigate to the website editor for the specific site you're working on. Once you're logged into your account, select the site you want to edit, and click on the Edit Site button to access the website editor. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be building and customizing your navigation menu. Now that you're inside the editor, look over to the left-hand toolbar. You'll see a variety of icons that represent different tools and options. What you're looking for is the Add button. It's represented by a plus icon, so it's pretty easy to spot. Go ahead and click on that button. This will open up a menu with a wide range of elements and features you can add to your site. From the options that appear, locate and select the menu in Anchor category. This is where you'll find everything related to menus and navigation. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see a bunch of options appear, and we're going to focus on the horizontal menus section. Click on horizontal menus to view all the available menu styles that Wix has to offer. Take your time to browse the menu templates. There's a variety of options here, so you'll want to choose one that fits well with the overall design and theme of your website. Some are minimalistic, while others are more elaborate, so think about what will provide the best user experience for your visitors. Once you've found the menu style you like best, click on it to select it, and it will automatically be added to your page. Now that the menu has been added to your site, the next step is to customize it. Click on the menu and you'll see a small pop-up option called Manage Menu. Click on Manage Menu to start adjusting the menu items. You'll be able to choose which pages or sections of your site you want to include in the navigation. For example, you might want to add links to your homepage, about page, contact page, or even specific products or blog posts. Once you've organized your menu items, look for the Settings icon. This opens up more advanced configuration options where you can fine-tune how your menu looks and behaves. Here you can adjust things like the font, color scheme, button shapes, and overall layout to match your website's branding. If you want to take things a step further, look for the Advanced Settings option. This is where you can add features like drop-down menus or animations. Drop-down menus are especially useful if you have a lot of pages or sections, as they help keep your navigation bar clean and easy to use. Animations, on the other hand, can add a little flair to your menu, making it more engaging for visitors. Once you've made all the adjustments and your menu looks and works exactly how you want it to, don't forget to save your changes. Simply click the Save button, and your navigation menu is now live on your site. Congratulations, you've successfully created and customized a navigation menu on Wix. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.